So guys, to fix this problem, what you have to do is head straight to your phone menu and now scroll down below. When you find the app, just use your finger to tap on this for some while. Tap on application details, then now tap on notification. Make sure the show notification is toggled on. Tap on the full stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on the permission and make sure the notification is allowed. After that, tap on the storage and cache, then tap on the clear cache. So after tapping on clear cache, go back, then you tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restrictions. It depends on the phone that you're using. Now tap on background data. Make sure this background data is toggled on like this. Now go back, then you have to check for the latest update of this app. Go to Google Play Store and try to update the app. After that, tap on your power button for some while, and you're going to see reboot and power off. Try to tap on the reboot. If you can't find reboot, restart your device. If you can't find restart and reboot, try to turn your phone off and turn on again. And this is the same process. So this is how you have to do. After doing this, then you release your hand and this is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video.